Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, often simply referred to as progeria, is an extraordinarily rare genetic disorder that accentuates the aging process in children. It's important to understand that this condition affects only about 1 in 4 million births, making it exceedingly uncommon. Children diagnosed with progeria typically appear healthy at birth, but within the first 2 years of their lives, they begin to exhibit symptoms that are strikingly reminiscent of accelerated aging. This includes hair loss, a small face and jaw, prominent eyes, skin changes, and joint stiffness. Those affected may also develop conditions commonly seen in older adults, such as cardiovascular disease, atherosclerosis, and other complications typically associated with aging. The underlying cause of Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome is a mutation in the LMNA gene. This gene plays a vital role in producing a protein called lamin A, which is crucial for the structural integrity of the cell nucleus. When the LMNA gene is mutated, it leads to the production of a faulty form of lamin A known as progerin. The presence of progerin disrupts normal cellular function, resulting in premature cellular aging. This process leads to the observed symptoms of progeria. Currently, there is no cure for Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, and management of the condition is largely focused on improving quality of life. This is done through a multidisciplinary approach involving cardiologists, physical therapists, and nutritionists, among others. Children with progeria benefit from regular checkups that can help monitor and treat any developing complications, especially those related to their heart and blood vessels. Families might also explore experimental treatments that have shown some promise in clinical trials, including drugs that target cellular aging or improve vascular health. Key research efforts are underway to better understand progeria and explore potential treatments. In recent years, scientists have started probing into the mechanisms by which progerin affects cellular aging and examining ways to intercept this process. One exciting area of research involves drugs that aim to decrease the production of progerin or counteract its deleterious effects. Understanding the biology of progeria not only holds the potential for therapies specific to this condition but may also shed light on the broader mechanisms of aging itself. Living with Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome poses unique challenges, not only for those diagnosed but also for their families. Emotional and psychological support play significant roles in their care. It's crucial for affected children and their families to connect with support groups where they can share experiences and find encouragement in their journeys. Awareness and advocacy are also essential, as they help in raising funds for research and establishing access to resources for affected families. The life expectancy for individuals with progeria is typically around 13 years, though some may live into their late teens or early 20s. The reasons behind this shortened lifespan are mostly due to cardiovascular complications, which primarily arise from the accelerated aging of arteries in the heart. Key lifestyle choices, such as a nutritious diet and regular exercise, might contribute to extending quality of life and well-being. When speaking about Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, it is vital to humanize the discussion. It is a condition that impacts real lives, and the incredible spirit of children with progeria deserves recognition. These children show resilience, bravery, and a capacity to inspire those around them, reminding us of the beauty of diversity in our human experience. As research continues and awareness grows, we hold hope for advancements that will one day provide effective treatments. In conclusion, Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome is a profound genetic disorder that highlights the complexities of aging and its biological underpinnings. Through education, research support, and compassionate care, we can improve the lives of those affected and work towards a future where progeria is no longer a life-limiting condition. Thank you for joining us today in shedding light on this important topic, and remember, awareness leads to understanding, compassion, and ultimately, change.